Down Haynes Point, watching the herring run up alongside the walls of Haynes Point. Very interesting phenom. I've never seen this before. Very nice footage. The fish doing what they do. It's your boy BillBo's Reality Live all the time. Out here with the kiddies. Mother's Day. Taking in some nature. One and done, baby. Peace. Hey, we got something on here.
Pull it, it's a fish?
Yep.
Yay!
Got him.
Oh!
Got him. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's how you do it, son. See that there? Nice. Nice size blip. That's what we do. He's got a big old scar on his head too. I must have got him real lovely. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
You don't put him back in.
You know what I'm talking about? BillBo's Reality Live all the time down in Anacostia. Like, what you screaming for, boy? It's what I do, man. You understand? You understand, son? This is what I do. This is what I do. Baby boy.
Okay, now put it
It's all about the fish, man. Down the park. It's all about the fish, baby. I just happened to yank my line out the water, and this joint was on it. Wasn't hitting no bell ringing or nothing. This joint was on it. It's different from the first one that I caught today. Stop, son. Don't do that. I got my son out here doing what we do. Anyway, like I was saying, it's BillBo's Reality Live all the time, man. It's just what I do, man. Come out here with the son, out here catching fish. You know what I'm saying? I just happen to pull my line in, and here we go. Bada, bada, bang, bada, boom. It's your boy out down the park with the son, showing them the ropes. Holla.